students, the next topic you are going to learn is place value and face value. Even though you have learned this topic in your previous classes, let me revise once. Place value. What is meant by a place value? Place value is nothing but the value of a digit in particular place. I'll give you an example. See here, this is Meenakshi, right? Now I am at my house and you are at your house. So what will be happen here? If you are at house, you may hear, you may listen, you may write, or you may play also. That is the power of your house, right? Nobody will scold you, nobody will do anything to you. But if you are in school, if you won't listen, teacher will shout at you, teacher will ask you to pay attention, right? So this is the difference between place. Even though you came from home to school, does your face changed? No, right? So if I come to your house and teach, does my face change? No, my face will be like that only. So here what is going to change in our mathematics? You all know we have few digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers we will call it as digits. The structure of these digits will not change. So wherever you write 9 will be like this only. Will 9 will change in this position? No, right? So wherever you write here or you write here or wherever you write, the 9 shape will be the same. 9 only. Right? In the same way, any of the digit. You can take any of the digit, we can change its shape. That is nothing but a face value. So every digit has its own face value. It won't change from place to place. You see here, I stand here. I stood here first. Now I come here to this place. Does my face change? No, right? In the same way, the same digits, even though they change from ones place to tens place, tens place to hundreds place, hundreds place to thousands or 10,000s or lakh or wherever, the face value of a number will not change. It means the shape of this number will not change. It will be similar wherever we write. Okay? Now, what is a place value? Place value means if a number we write in ones place, that digit will have the value of its original digit. For example, here 7 is there in ones place. 7 is there in ones place. It means the answer is 7 ones only. The same 7, if you take in tens place, what it will become? 7 tens it will become. 7 shape is same, but it came to ones place to tens place. What happened? 7 became 70. Little bit power it got. The same 7, let us take in hundreds place. Okay? If we take the same 7 in hundreds place, 7 became 700. It means it became little bit more powerful. Right? But here shape of the 7 is changed from place to place. No, right? Shape of the 7 is same. But place it is changing. Now it is in ones place. It is 7. If it goes to tens place, it is 70. If it goes to hundreds place, it is 700. Let's see what will happen in thousands place. If 7 is there in thousands place, what it will become? It will become 7,000. The same 7, if we take in 10,000s place, it will become 70,000. See here, the digit is same. Only one digit I have taken. 7 only I have taken. I have written the same 7 in all the places. What happened here? 7 is at ones place. It is only 7. 7 is at tens place. It became 70. 7 is at hundreds place. It became 700. 7 is in thousands place. Then it became 7,000. Now 7 is in 10,000s place. Then it became 70,000. Can you please tell me the face value of 7? Here, face value of this digit is 7 only. The face value of this digit is 7 only. The face value of here also 7. Next also 7, 7. Why we are taking face value same? Why? Because we are not writing 7 in 10,000 place is a big place Are we writing 7 in this shape? No, right? We are not changing its shape or we are not changing its structure. The 7 is same everywhere. That is the reason face value of a digit never changes. Let me give you one more example now. Yes, let's see one more example here. See, we have many digits here. So I didn't segregate any of the digits. Look here, 5, 2, 6, 7, 5, 8. See, I want to ask you a question. Does this number form any of the different digits or the same digits? Let me repeat. This number has this digits. Any other extra digit is there? Can you see any other digit? See here, 8. 8 is there here. Then 5. Then 7. 6. 2. 5. So all the digits are there here. So any of the number in mathematics, you can take any of the number. So you see 6473. If you see, this number is also formed by 6, 4, 7 and 3. It means all the numbers in mathematics formed by this digits. Okay, keep this point in your mind. So now we are learning place value and face value of this digits. This digit structure will not change. You can observe here. See, 6 in this number and 6 in this number. Did we write 6 like this? No, right? We didn't change its structure. We wrote 6 in this way only. That is the reason face value of a number never changes. Face value of a number never changes. So now let us write place value and face value of this digits. Okay? So if you people forget what are the digits, you can write in your rough side of your classwork 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are called digits. You can write it in your rough space so that you can remember. Okay, ma? Let's see here. Let's see this number and let's write the place values of this number. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. You're right. So, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Let's write place value of every number here. So, 8 is in which place? Yes, 8 is in ones place. So, 8 ones is the answer. The place value of 8 is 8. Here I am writing place value and here I am writing face value. So, face value of 8 will be? Face value of the number will be the same only. So, face value of 8 is 8 only. See here the next one. 5 is in which place? Tens place. So, place 5 tens means how much? 50. 5 tens means 50. So, we are going to write 50 in place value and face value of 5 in tens place. Wherever 5 is there, face value, does the structure of 5 is changing? No. So, the face value of 5 is 5 only, right? Then, hundreds place. Here it is 7. It means 7 hundreds are there. So, the place value of 7 in hundreds place is 700. Face value of 7 is as usual, same. It won't change. Then, 6 in thousands place. 6,000. Face value of 6 will be 6 only. Then 2 10,000s. Let me repeat. 2 10,000s, not 2,000s. 2 10,000s. So what you are supposed to write here? 20,000. 2 10,000s means 20,000. 3 10,000s means 30,000. Okay? 4 10,000s means 40,000. So here we have 2. So we are supposed to write here 20,000. Then come to lakh. So 5 is in which place? Lakhs place. So the answer of this 5, the place value of 5 will be 5 lakhs. 5, 00, comma and then 000. So let me repeat. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and then lakhs. That's why I put this many zeros. 5 lakh. See here. Now, 2 face value will be 2 only. 5 face value will be 5 only. Okay. Now I am going to give you one question. Pause the video and then try to solve by your own. Friends, here you people write this question in your classwork and try to write place value and face value of each and every number. Okay. So you have to write place value of each and every digit here. You should know what is the difference between digit and a number. Digit means this 0 to 9. Numbers means the numbers are called what is a thing formed using these digits. That we'll call it as a number. See here, this formed using these digits. So this is a number. These are digits. Okay, ma? So here now, first step, you people write place values on the top so that it will be easy for you to write here. Okay? So for every digit you have to write the place value and face value. Place value and face value. Okay? I'll give you answers in a minute. You people can pause and you people write the answers. So you don't see the video, just at the end check your answers. Right. Check your answers. If you people did right, you can correct yourself and give yourself a star. Okay? That's all for today's class. And for your homework, you will get questions like this. I'll explain one. You will get homework like this. It means a digit in the question will be underlined. You should find out the place value and face value. Here are some examples I am going to tell you so that you can do by your own in your homework book. See here. So the underlined digit is 4. 4 is in ones place. So the place value of 4 is 4 only. Face value will also be 4. Then here 6 is underlined. 6 is in which place? Right, 6 is in hundreds place. So the place value will be 600. Face value will be 6 only. Here 3 is underlined. Let's check which place it is. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So 3 is in 10,000's place. So the answer will be 30,000. Right? Face value will never change. 3. Right? So in this way you are going to get for your homework. Okay? That's all. Thank you.